Are you working hard or simply using the wrong tools? Most professionals waste hours on tasks AI can finish in minutes. Today, you'll discover 2 AI assistants that change everything. Let's see how AI turns chaos into productivity.
Okay, let's dive right into this. You know that feeling when you reach the end of a really long, exhausting day? You look down at your to-do list and realize half the actual important work is still sitting there, completely untouched? You're exhausted. You're burned out. And honestly, you're probably just sick and tired of the daily grind of all those repetitive tasks. Well, get this. Fun fact. The average professional actually spends up to 3 whole weeks out of the year just looking for lost information or trying to organize messy notes. 3 weeks! But what if I told you that the absolute most productive people in the world aren't actually working harder than you are? They're really not. They're just working smarter. Their secret is that they use artificial intelligence tools to handle all that boring, manual work, which totally frees them up to focus on the stuff that actually matters. So, welcome to this explainer. This is your AI Productivity Masterclass, where we are going to move from total chaos to absolute clarity. So we have to ask, are you working too hard? The honest truth is, most professionals out there, whether you're a student trying to juggle a million classes or an entrepreneur trying to scale up a business, are absolutely drowning in tasks. You're probably spending 3 to 5 hours every single day writing up meeting notes, organizing projects, drafting endless emails, and summarizing documents. But here is the ultimate reality check for you. AI can handle those exact same tasks in minutes. Literally, minutes. So if you're exhausted all the time, it's not because you lack time management skills. You don't have a time problem. You just have a tools problem.
Think about the notes you take right now. They probably feel a lot like a super messy room. You know, those scattered, chaotic, handwritten or rapidly typed brain dumps. We all absolutely know that dread of looking at a massive mess. It's incredibly overwhelming. But now, contrast that with a beautifully structured AI plan. It's like walking into a flawlessly clean room where someone else has already picked up all your clothes, made the bed, and perfectly organized your desk. You know that immediate, amazing sense of relief? That is exactly what it feels like when AI takes your messy, scattered thoughts and instantly transforms them into a structured, highly prioritized plan.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. First, we'll talk about stopping the hard work. Second, you'll meet your new digital assistants. Third, we organize with Notion AI. Fourth, automate with Copilot. Fifth, build your workflow. And finally, track your productivity.
All right, moving right into section 1, meet your digital assistants.
Look, we're going to strip away all the confusing, heavy technical jargon right now. Let's just introduce you to the absolute basics that will finally, once and for all, fix this tool's problem. So meet your very first assistant, Notion AI. And hey, if you're an absolute beginner, please don't let the AI part intimidate you. Just think of Notion AI as a highly organized digital assistant, and its absolute only job in the world is to tidy up your messy bookshelf of ideas. You literally just hand it a stack of papers, your rough notes, your quick, chaotic thoughts, and it instantly puts them on the exact right shelves, giving you perfectly clear headings, subtasks, and priorities in seconds.
Now, your second assistant is Microsoft Copilot. Think of Copilot like your own personal secretary, but one that actually lives directly inside the apps you already use every single day, like Microsoft Word or Teams. The best part? This secretary never, ever suffers from writer's block. It never just stares blankly at a page. You literally just give it a few quick instructions and boom, it instantly writes your letters, drafts highly professional emails, and summarizes incredibly long documents for you.
Section 2. Notion AI and how to organize your chaos.
We're going to start with a really practical, step-by-step tutorial that's perfectly tailored for a student managing a super heavy coursework load. Let's say you just walked out of a massive 2-hour lecture. Your hand is totally cramping up and your notes are a complete disaster. Here's what you do. Step 1, you simply copy and paste those messy handwritten or typed notes straight into Notion AI. Step 2, you just ask the AI using normal, everyday plain English to find the key themes in these notes. And step 3, ask it to generate a digital task list. Watch as the AI instantly extracts all the most important concepts and creates a super clear checklist of exactly what you actually need to study. Seriously, no more reading through pages of chicken scratch, just trying to figure out what matters. And you can actually structure your entire study week just like this. Step 1, highlight your upcoming assignments right there in your notes. Step 2, prompt Notion AI by simply typing, "Schedule these assignments across my week."
Step 3. Just sit back and review your perfectly structured study week. The AI will literally look at all your deadlines and automatically map out exactly what you need to focus on for Monday, Tuesday, and so on. It totally takes all the panic out of managing your coursework.
Okay, I want you to actively learn with me here. We've got a little pause and practice moment. If you're going through this explainer right now, I highly encourage you to hit pause, log into Notion, grab just one messy task or a single page of your most chaotic class notes, and simply ask Notion AI to organize it into a task list. Experience that amazing clean room feeling for yourself. Go ahead and do it. I will be right here waiting when you get back.
You can as well watch me while I show you a demo. Once you've created an account and logged into Notion, pick what you need for. Is it for work, personal, or schoolwork? Then go ahead to choose the tab. Create a new page and name it Task Organizer. Add your rough note. Add your rough note. Highlight and right-click to add instructions. Let's watch AI organize a messy task list in seconds. Notice how AI identifies priorities and creates structure. That's minutes of work completed almost instantly.
All right, Section 3, Copilot and automating your communications.
Welcome back. Now we're going to pivot for a second from the busy student over to the busy entrepreneur who is completely drowning in daily business operations and those endless client emails. If you manage a business, you know communication can easily eat up half your day. So here is your clear, actionable checklist for automating your daily emails using Copilot. First, open up Microsoft Word. Look for that little Copilot icon and click it. Now, instead of agonizing for ages over the perfect opening sentence, just type 3 simple, super rough bullet points. Something like, client is late on payment, need it by Friday, keep tone polite but firm. Hit generate. Instantly, Copilot turns those 3 little bullets into a beautifully crafted, highly professional email. You just quickly review it, maybe tweak a word or two, and hit send. A task that used to take you 20 minutes literally just took you 20 seconds.
And look, it gets even better for your broader business operations. You know those hour-long client meetings that generate those massive, endless, super messy transcripts? Step 1, take that long meeting transcript and feed it directly into Copilot. Step 2, ask it for a quick summary so you absolutely don't have to reread the whole thing. Step 3, ask Copilot to extract actionable project steps. Just like that, your new personal secretary gives you a highly professional project summary outlining exactly who needs to do what and by when. It is completely game-changing. You can manage your daily operations without breaking a sweat.
So it's time for another pause and practice. Pop open Microsoft Word, find a really long document you've been absolutely dreading reading, maybe it's a huge report or a crazy long meeting transcript, and ask Copilot to summarize it into 3 quick bullet points. You need to see these immediate time-saving benefits with your own eyes to believe them. Give it a try real quick.
Section 4, build your automated workflow.
Okay, so now that you've totally mastered the basic setup instructions for both Notion AI and Copilot, it's time to bring it all together. Let's combine them into a fully automated machine for the stuff you have to do over and over again. Because whether you have weekly university assignments or you're an entrepreneur sending out weekly client project reports, you absolutely should not be starting from scratch every single Monday. Step 1, use these tools to create a master project template. Step 2, save it for recurring weekly use. Step 3, use your new AI assistants to seamlessly autofill the routine data. So for an entrepreneur, this means you pull up your weekly report template, feed Copilot this week's raw bullet points, and let it generate the full client update automatically. You are basically building a system that literally runs your business while you get to step back and focus on the big picture.
The absolute most crucial point here is the time you save. 5 hours. By utilizing these incredibly simple templates, automating your email drafts with Copilot, and structuring your chaotic notes with Notion AI, busy professionals and entrepreneurs are saving up to 5 hours every single work week. Just pause and think about that for a second. What would you do with an extra 5 hours a week? That is literally an entire afternoon you just got back, all simply by letting AI do the boring stuff.
Section 5. Tracking your productivity gains.
Now, it's one thing to feel a little bit faster, but it's a completely different thing to actually prove to yourself that your new AI workflow is genuinely succeeding. So for all the absolute beginners out there, I really want you to start tracking this. It's easy. Open a simple digital notebook. Every single day, just quickly log the hours you estimate you saved by using Notion Copilot. Note down which specific AI prompts gave you the absolute best results, like make this polite or extract a to-do list. And honestly, most importantly, take a quick moment to celebrate. Celebrate the awesome fact that you're finishing your daily tasks in half the time. You, my friend, are officially working smarter.
If you take away just one single thing from this entire masterclass, let it be this quote right here. Stop working harder, work smarter. The totally exhausting days of drowning in manual notes, agonizing over blank emails, and spending hours and hours on routine reports are officially over. These digital assistants are here right now. They handle the boring work, they tidy up your messy rooms, and most importantly, they give you your precious time back.
So, I'm going to leave you with this final, kind of provocative question. What task are you going to automate first? Seriously, think about it. Are you going to organize your study notes tonight? Or are you going to let Copilot draft that super annoying client email tomorrow morning? Choose your very first task, put your amazing new digital assistants to work, and then please drop your results in our community group. I absolutely cannot wait to see how much time you save.
Today you learned how AI can save hours every week. Use Notion AI or Copilot on one real task today. Tomorrow, you'll learn when AI gets things wrong and how to catch it.